Are you in the process of learning how to re-love yourself? Well, the best part is I am too. So we are here together in this boat, in this world, and that is called being sonder. Because sonder, the definition of that is knowing that your life is intertwined and connected with those that you don't even know. So first, let's go ahead and take a step back. I'm Tree from Tree Essentials, and today we will talk about how to embrace that beauty in those pieces of you. So when you wake up, please note, you know how they have the lullaby. It says, row, row, row your boat, life is but a dream. No, I silly. Row, row, row your boat up against the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Well, first and foremost, look at these clouds. I'm feeling like I'm on a big giant pillow. And you're probably like, what is she talking about right now? Well, with that means we have to bring and embrace our rest. That is part of loving ourselves. And that is something that sometimes when we are freaking out, got so much to do, we do not get to do that part the best way we possibly can. How do I know? Because it happened to me. But the cool part about embracing your rest comes in many forms. So you can take a nap, in your car, like lay it out. If you are out and about, doctor's appointment, and it's a lot going on and you're waiting to be checked on, close them eyes. Or get you your music and just relax your soul, because that is a part of the rest phase. As you start doing that, you allow yourself to be gentle with yourself. That is embracing you and your beauty. When you are not rejuvenating the body, please note that it is really hard for your skin to regenerate. It's hard for your hair to regenerate. And I'm all about hair growth, okay? Under this right here, it's been gleaming and glowing. Another part of embracing is the different healing modalities that come from nature and from the earth. So, have you ever heard of something called red light therapy? It's a whole thing, and when I tell you it did what it needed to do for me during this summertime, because I have been having a little up and down with stress issues. Maybe you have too. But as you do that, know your hormones start getting a little out of balance, and you can always rebalance them. There is never a stuck moment. I do love me some maca root. That is an amazing contributor to getting your hormones in check. Some ashwagandha, that is an adaptogenic herb. It's an Ayurvedic. And as well, getting your rest. And last but not least, the number one as well is being kind to yourself. That is a part of this beauty journey, because when you're not kind, all your cells can hear every little thing you are saying to it. And I hope you know she is recording and bringing it in. Look at that kid. They are recording and bringing in everything. And they're saying, oh, we don't love that. We don't. Okay. So that is a part of embracing and loving yourself. Another thing is, I was about to look for it, but it's behind me. It's drinking that water, getting in your hydration. Let's say you haven't been hydrating yourself for a while, and you're like, you know what, it's time. So there's a it's time moment thing, and that is your coconut water. Coconut water does something different for you. It actually can enhance the hydration in your body to catch you up on what you are needing. So get you some real one. And I don't like just any coconut water. I love me some pressed coconut water. You're probably like, why I gotta be pressed? It needs to be pressed because it's sweeter. It's a sweetened taste to it. And make sure it's non-GMO, of course. Yeah. This enhancing and loving ourselves and beauty is a real thing, but it can be as simple as you make it. Like, paint your nails. Do you not have any money to go to the shop? Go get your favorite bright colors at the hair store, if it needs to be from the hair store, because they have the cutest colors, okay? And go shop and get you some minimal different color outfits, and it can be every color. And when I say shop, if you don't have a lot of money, go thrifting. Even if you got a lot of money, go thrifting. It has the best items in there. I promise you will not be disappointed. Unless you're rushing, maybe you will, but take your time. Get you an inspo out of a magazine and be like, I want these type of clothes. And I guarantee when you get in there, you're gonna start finding little pieces, and it's gonna make you so happy. Another part of enhancing and loving your beauty is taking yourself out and want to go do some stuff for yourself. Like, that is my favorite thing. I'm out right now on my little solo date day, and it is always the bomb. I love being with myself and enjoying my presence, and it may make you feel uncomfortable sometimes, like, what am I doing by myself? You birthed alone, you die alone. Even if you're a twin, you come out the vajayjay by yourself first. So with that being said, I need you to understand that doing things by yourself is fun if you allow yourself. Like, you'll meet random people, you get to talk, and you never know what you'll run into. Today I just ran into going to another party, meaning a party I can create for others to love on themselves too. So it's like so much cool things you can do as you enhance and love yourself, because as you love yourself, you start becoming the image of creator, and that is a masterpiece. He said we are his clay, we are potters, and we are pot and he's the clay maker. And as we start morphing and stuff, you start seeing yourself in your full magnitude. Like right now, I'm in a vibe to want to dance, but I'm not gonna dance. It's so many people. Listen to the music talking about dancing. It's a little kid over here. It's another one. I be nervous doing it in front of everybody unless I'm getting paid to dance and do a program, okay? I don't know. So if you need that, let me know. But, you know, it's so cool to be able to just enjoy your moments for yourself, and you will start saying like, I am fun. If you're not fun, go Google on how you can be fun. One of the ways is embrace your creative expression. What do you like to do in your free time that is positive outlets, even when you got a lot of pain points maybe happening? There's so much that you can embody in that process, and that is so gorgeous of you. You are amazing. Do you hear this song? I really do feel like dancing. I haven't been dancing in a while. That's one of my creative outlets. What about crocheting? Do you like to crochet? Do you like to paint? Do you like to stretch? Do you like to journal? Do you like to write? Do you like to make up ideas? I don't know what you like to do. I know that whatever you like to do is really fun because somebody else enjoys it too. There's somebody out there that's enjoying it. Look those groups up if you want to go do this with other people too. My favorite part though on this journey is you gotta do things by yourself so you know you have the confidence even if no one is around. It's an amazing situation. Yeah. I love you so much, and when I love me, I can pour and love others, and that's why I enjoy doing this sometimes alone. It's really fun, and you get to see new things around the world. One thing that you can start doing is embracing others' creatives too. What are they creative at? That embodiment of them is a beautiful mirror of what you have the ability to do as well. You are so bomb. Keep that in mind. You are hot. Not hot like you're gonna burn, but you're like hot like you are amazing. And I want you to understand too that you bring beauty into this earth when you embody you. It is truly a gift because others can exude their light and feel comfortable. A lot of this earth right now is not feeling comfortable because everybody's trying to conform to who others are. And it says, do not be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. With that part, it is really important to get new audiobooks in your body too. That reprograms your mind, and it gives you the ability to do new things that you may have not thought you would have ever done before. With that being said, I am Tree from Tree Essentials, and I am all about self-love, self-care, and wellness, freeing yourself and retaining that hair length through different wellness dimensions. I love to stretch, I love to dance, I love to meditate on words and break them down and see the different self-love things that I can bring in effect. Go ahead and click the link below to subscribe to see more information, and stay in tune because there's so much that we can do out here as we embrace ourselves, and I want you to embrace you. All right, you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you later.